Names of planets in the solar system. Mercury. Mercury is the first planet from the Sun and the smallest in the solar system. Its surface is covered in tens of thousands of impact craters. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. Venus is sometimes called Earth's twin because it's similar in size and structure. Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Our home planet. Earth is a rocky, terrestrial planet. Water covers 70% of Earth's surface. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet and the furthest terrestrial planet from the Sun. The reddish color of its surface is due to finely grained iron oxide dust in the soil, giving it the nickname the Red Planet. Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet away from the Sun. It is the biggest planet in our solar system. Jupiter has 80 moons. A day on Jupiter is super fast. Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system after Jupiter. It is a gas giant with an average radius of about 9.5 times that of Earth. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and has the third largest diameter in our solar system. Uranus is an ice giant. Uranus has 13 rings. Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet from the Sun and the farthest recognized planet in the solar system. Neptune is 58 times bigger and 17 times heavier than Earth. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.